Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can block an artist on SoundCloud. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the SoundCloud app on your device. Now, tap on the search icon. After that, search for the artist you want to block. After that, tap on the profile. Now, tap on the three-dot icon. After that, select the block. Again, confirm your action by tapping on the block option again. And that's it. This is how you can block an artist on SoundCloud.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.